What is up guys, my name is Ignas, welcome back to the channel. January has passed, and now I would like to present an update for my Revolut portfolio. I started the year with 2 new positions, one of those is doing great so far, and unsurprisingly even with the slowest month in the quarter received quite a few dividends. So we'll go through the app and then through my tracker to check on what was done, but as per usual I would like to start with the membership giveaway. So every month I randomly pick a commenter who will be getting access to Discord, where I share all the materials I'm using for buying and selling stocks. This month's winner is Sunshine Design, who shared on his December additions into Medtronic and Tyson Foods, same ones I'm also holding in my portfolio too. Thanks for the comment, contact me directly and I will give you access to those benefits free of charge. Now if you would also like to get access to extra materials, all you need to do is leave a comment under any of the videos. Next month I'll pick one of them again, and the winner will be awarded these perks too. Otherwise you can also go the standard route and join memberships as it is. So we are now in the app, and we'll go through January's transaction history to check what we bought and how much in dividends have we received. So on the 2nd of the month we added $400 new in, and on the next day bought into 2 stocks. So the first buy was Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM, added $200 in, and got 1.8 of a share at $109.74 per share. And then another new position was in materials, Sherwin-Williams, ticker symbol SHW, again $200, and got 0.8 of a share at $239.58. We'll check how these positions are performing later on in my portfolio tracker on Google Sheets. Afterwards there is this Revolut custody fee, so on January 4th paid 73 cents, but then starts the good part. So on the 4th the first dividend was received from FedEx, ticker symbol FDX, that came in at $1.64. Then on the same day a consumer staples name paid, Walmart, ticker symbol WMT, 71 cents here. Afterwards on January 10th a dividend from pharmaceuticals, Merck, ticker symbol MRK, that dividend came in at 88 cents. On the 18th Medtronic, ticker symbol MDT, just a few months back added into this position, and now the dividend is coming at $3.90. Then still on the 18th we have another healthcare name, Thermo Fisher Scientific, ticker symbol TMO, that is a low yield but still plus 14 cents. Afterwards utilities, Xcel Energy, ticker symbol XCL, with a dividend of 59 cents. And last but not least communications. So on January 26th Comcast paid, ticker symbol CMCSA, and that dividend came in at $2.27. So quite a few dividends, and we'll further check on the progress in my tracker. So I shared which companies paid me dividends and how much exactly was received from each, but I'm also tracking that dividend progress in this table. So for the first month of this year, the sum for dividends came in at $10.16. That was a nice surprise and a huge increase, both from last year and the previous quarter. So back in January of 2022 we had the dividends at $1.95, and now with it over $10, we have a 5x increase, plus exactly 421%. And even comparing it with last year's October of $4.87, that has also doubled in just 3 months. So with $10 in our slowest month, it is likely that we'll reach the last year's sum in the first 8 months, and we'll still have 4 more to go, meaning that we'll get at least 50% more than last year, at least $120 for 2023. So we checked on the dividend progress, but what can we exactly do with it? So with the current portfolio we are getting around $210.19 in dividends per year, and divided by 12 that is $17.52 every month. So there are already a few expenses that we can cover with it, that is a $5 monthly phone bill, or just a bit over a $15 internet expense. Now the next step is still clothing with $25 set, and it seems that we have reached 70% of this goal, so still 30% to go on it. Of course, the ultimate goal here is to cover the sum of $975, but we are still only 1.8% on it, so another 98% left to keep on building. In the beginning of January I started 2 new positions, One was from the information technology sector, Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM, bought 1.822 of a share at $109.74 per share. Now the stock did quite well. It is now trading at $137.95, and the position is now valued at $251.41. This means that I'm up on the position for over $50, higher for 25.71%. Now Qualcomm currently takes 2.75% of my whole portfolio, and that is 13.38% of exposure in the IT sector. Looking into the dividend, the yield now is at 2.25%, and since I bought it a bit lower, the yield on cost is at 2.73%. So this position generates me $5.47 on an annual basis. Now the second name I started a position in was from materials sector, Sherwin-Williams, ticker symbol SHW. Bought 0.835 of a share at $239.58 per share. It dropped a bit recently but recovered since. Currently we have it at $244.97, so I'm up for $4.50 on the position, plus 2.25%. Currently it takes 2.24% of my portfolio, and is the only materials name I have with 100% exposure. Now with a few percent up, the current dividend yield is 0.99%, and my yield on cost is at exactly 1%. Meaning that I'm getting $2 every year for this position. And as we already checked, the portfolio is generating $210.19 on an annual basis, giving it a yield of 2.3%. Overall, the portfolio is valued at $9,146.07, and since I deposited at $8,680, I'm up for $466.07 on it, which is plus 5.37%. Since a full year finished, we can check on our progress. So overall, with the portfolio and contributions, we added $8,120.58 into the market in 2022 and finished the year with $7,420.61. This means that we were down for $699.97 for the year, losing 8.62%. Not a great result, but the market did way worse with minus 18%. So at least that is something we could be grateful for. Here we have portfolio's exposure in different market sectors. I've recently adjusted my targets a bit, so yellow color means that we are overweight in these sectors, green is plus minus 1%, and red is focus into these. Unfortunately right now I'm not that interested in utilities, so next month I'll likely be targeting financials, where we currently have almost $1,200, with exposure of 13.06% and a target of 14, and then another focus is technology. There we currently have almost $1,900 with a weighting of 20.56% and a target of 20. So let's get overweight into these sectors, and then we'll see where else we can be adding money into. I think that was it with the portfolio update for the month of January. Stocks have been moving higher recently, and the dividend income has been increasing substantially too. With this upbeat in the market, I've upped my contributions too. We'll see how that money performs next month. How is your portfolio doing? Which stocks have you bought into recently? Share your wins or losses in a comment below. Also, don't forget to support the channel and leave a thumbs up under the video. Last week I've compared several consumer staples names, so if you are interested in any of these, then click on a video that is currently on the screen. And that was it from my side. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing y'all in the next one.